What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I mean? Me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And as me always I say from with the end of my video, hope everybody good, hope everybody alright, you know what I mean? My prayers goes out for everybody, every single person who was affected by this hurricane. You understand me? I say, I'm a people. Me I see some footage from places in St. Elizabeth, especially that don't look like Jamaica. Me I telling you, my people, it don't look like Jamaica none at all. You see me I say, and this only remind me of the hurricane where hit New Orleans when named Hurricane Katrina. You see me I say, you know much people lose them life and it take years for them recover from it. You understand me? And that is a first world country. And this is a third world country. You understand? So, it will take us a while before everything come back to normalcy. You know what I mean? I mean, like my prayers goes out for people because I see video with people and the effects of the hurricane, and me I hear see a whole heap of people lose them life, my people. A whole heap of people lose them 3 points, but the news nah carry it. You know what I mean? The news nah carry it. Me don't know why. Because me even see one video with a woman that play. I say, the bodies them need to come take out of the place because them not have water and them something there, and the fly them and the body and them decom people. Jano star, this thing will happen in a Jamaica. Me I telling you, my people, I know not normal, and me I see a pure conspiracy about this and that and that and this. And my people, if this is man-made, which everybody has say, that storm here is man-made, and we, why people, as me say, me go down a rabbit hole one night here with the conspiracies them about this hurricane here. You see me I say, I'm not like, if this really farmed and sent to Jamaica by human beings, them people are not human. Them no regard life none at all. You see me I say, them no regard nobody life except for them one and them picnic and them, you see me, immediate family. You understand me I say? People, my heart goes out to everybody who are affected by this hurricane. And me never know say, this was so bad, my people. You know what I mean? It wicked upon the people in my St. Anne, you know what I mean, Trelawney, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, St. James, you know what I mean? Down at the western end, the people they feel it. Chano star, boy people. My heart goes out as me say. Because right now, my people, them deploy how much army personnel, from El Salvador, I see them put a clip in here, so people from El Salvador, like the military, is in Jamaica. You see me I say, if them not in Jamaica, them about to reach in Jamaica. So them are come for maybe, you know what I mean, keep like the place from the looters and all these things, you know what I mean, to keep the ground on a civilized manner. Because the people them, especially in St. Elizabeth, them a get uncivilized. Them a tear down the business place them. Me see one man a say the storm come to help the people. Boy, me never know say, at least we know say don't start Jamaica still. You know what I mean? We know say don't to the boat. The man say things we him have right now him never did have before the hurricane. What you lose? How where the people them lose pan a whole. From life losing, man. No, like you can't put nothing at all over life. You see me? And a whole heap of life lose. So what you tell me say? You gain couple items we so mash up and you so nyam off where your teeth out of people place, and you tell me say the storm come to help people. Help people how? Even if you take some things, I just say and you can carry it in and you can't take a truckload of stuff. You see me I say and can't go your yard go build up back your place. You know me I say my people? Boy, small minded people, yo, you burn me for them sometimes, I say man. But me I tell you know people a whole heap of things they must say this storm here. Because not only Jamaicans that talk about conspiracy, you know, about this hurricane here, you know. Other persons from other countries talk about it. You see me? So me want to tell more to think my people because you know it going to take a while before people in them areas they recover from this hurricane here. You understand what I say? Jaja. But a lot of people from like other countries them send them support. You know what I mean? People from in the state, a lot of persons are send, you know what I mean, jets with supplies. Me just want the supplies reach the people them and them set up something where them can feed the people them because a lot of people don't have not even clothes to put on them back. Everything wet up, wash wet. You know what I mean? Them now have a bed for sleep on. So even the ear mattresses them, if them could have get some of them, they also make the people them get them. You see it, a lot of things these people want. And as me say my people, it's going to take a while before these people and things come back to normal. Because down to the light pole them in them blow down in my people. You see me I say? Road like all house. Big how much story house. Japa gully. It bad. It very very bad my people. You see me? So let me get in now when me come to share with you cause right now my people Rosealee kinda crash out in reality a lick her in her ass because she did feel like say hot girl summer when she don't know say boy for her biological clock is going down. You know what I mean? She a get older plus me nah try to style nobody or nothing, but the reality is when woman get older, them less attractive and some of them never attractive from morning. So the pool, the dating pool out there for them very very small. You understand me now? Tell no woman to stay in a relationship still with them not happy and something and rare. But when it come to bun and them something there, me don't tell the woman them say yo bun I know something for left a man for. If you might give your bun and you feel like you want give him back bun. Simple. You know what I mean? So me I go share with Uno some things that Rosealee I say because right now she don't want GX to up in her middle because storm blow and nature call and she did feel like say the rose I go satisfy her. And the man who she did run down, she did feel like say why them did go live happily ever after and it not happen. You see it? So I'm gonna share what she have for several people who also have the lion man say yo him resume begging. So him no want nobody tell him nothing. You see what I say? So him say him play theme part and everything. The dog also want key if you come in my yard come stay. I would the man want Japan you know long me know say that boy after key. But we are going to share that with other people and we have other things we are going to share and maybe add more things as we go on. So make we get in it.
in my whole entire life. And the first my father ever said, love you, my daughter. First. And when I sit, it's sometimes you see me sit one place and I overthink, I get emotional. First in my life, I'm a 32-year-old. First in my life, I'm a 32-year-old, and every time I think about it, I get emotional. First in my life, my father will look at me and say, love you, my daughter. First. Because when I grow up, I never have no mother, I never have no father. When I grew up, I never have no mother, I never have no father. My old granny grew me. Who know me long enough knows so my granny grew me from me at 7 months old. I never had a father and I never had a mother. And my granny grew me from me at 7 months old. So you know, so fear and love was always there. It can never grow old, it can never decay. My mom tried to keep up some of the time, but not most. My dad and aging. And I think of a saying that they say, the stone that the builder refuse can be them head cornerstone. I cry. When I reminisce, I take out my glasses because I squeeze my ears. When I sit down and overtake and reminisce that one saying, the stone that the builder refuse can be them head cornerstone, it brings tears to my eye. I have more more than me. I am the eldest. I have other kids are foreign. I imagine a rooftop gone in a storm and nobody have the audacity to reach out to me and say, how is the family in the country area where they are foreign? Because Trump up one money and said, go give me father this. I have 2 people in America. So nobody cares if you're dead or you're alive. I have problem of my own. Why when I come on here and I have problem of my own and my eye get a bit teary, it's over, man. Why? You don't always do it. If I say something and me attack in general, I don't write the boy name. If I say something in general, I don't write the boy name. And if it's a general statement, I don't write the boy name. Why? Like leave people. Don't cause a I don't want to cause a controversy. I got my own problem. I got my own problem. He has his. I did what I had to do. I do what I can. Or I did what I can for my community. He wanna do what he can for others. That has nothing to do with me. If he want to go about in business by himself and doing business, go on. What does that have to do with me? I got my own problem. Stop mix it. Stop. It's not that serious. Stop. It's not that serious. Me have my own problem them. No, but people sit and believe. Other people see it and believe it. Like some so desperate over a man that the man go about in business and him say, oh no, come, my vex. Come on now. Him go about in business and me ready before him and me go about my business, go do my thing. I went to my country yesterday. I went to my country yesterday. I'm going to give my father money for buy zinc when me I leave and give money when me I leave. So the money that was donated yesterday, I gave it away. That's why last night I said I can't find my bank card. The money with PayPal and the money with Zelle and Cash App, I gave it away. The money that we call it a gimme gateway. I call like 170,000. I get for life. I give me gateway. I don't buy nothing. When me give you the package them, me get 5 and 10 and 3 and 4. Give me father money for do him. I do remove them granny and money. I'm going to have my family. I'm going to give them package and give them money. Me give me the cost them money. So my cousin come down to me say, she come and she did and she say, well, I'm going to get the 2 bag them. I'm going to say she have the 2 bill and I'm going to take out 5,000 and give her. I'm most 5,000, so I'm going to give 5,000. 5,000, get that one and split it, me get some walk around and give it away. Me have 25,000 extra in my purse. I want me to come to Kingston in there. What is wrong with you people? There's people out there actually living some life that is it's not even good just in their eyesight. Everything me do by in my life the revs up.
Hey, and that's why the people don't like take things from Rosealee, you know. Because me hear multiple person say, yo, she love get things and then talk about it. You know how our family maybe feel right now if hear she attack the way how she attack. Especially her father said this is the first time you ever tell me that you love me and Ray. So it look like say boy you love me because I way me can give you certain way. Me tell you something, is when it come to Jamaicans, most Jamaicans, we not hear I love you from with people them. We not get no hug up on them something there regular. A special moments we get love you. And that's why I tell my youth say yo, love you every time we talk. You see me I say because that is something where me never get, but me know say my people them love me. You see me I say me never take that put it on my head. I say boy you never tell me say you love me, you never hug me yet. No, me not gonna do that. Because we see them take care of it. Rosealee different still because she grew with her granny, so you know what I mean, she gonna feel some type of way when it comes to like parents or something. You see it. But she have to know say yo, such is life. You know what I mean? And she can't too dwell upon the past, although that kinda is a significant thing in her life. You understand? But she have to learn to kinda, you know what I mean, find some way to get over that and move on. You see it and know say yo, I know everybody in a Jamaica get I love you and hug up on them something there. Is it we know say we people them love we by them providing for us. You know what I mean? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section my people. And no Rosealee sister boy, you know what I mean? The dog really want a relationship or something. And my people, the reason why everybody are gonna say what them a say when she attack and I get emotional is because them know say she want the youth and the youth not really want her a certain way. The youth love her as a friend but him no want a relationship with her. Me know say it look a way to her if you know say yo Dyema they everywhere with them and she can't do it. You see me I say, and now she not me hear she said on the live. Maybe you know soon hear she said I said boy she don't have a relationship, she don't have no kids, she don't have nobody around her, she free, single and disengaged. You know what I mean? But the same thing Jake said on Jeffrey podcast, wealthy and lonely, and that up to Rosealee right now. You could have all the money in the world. You see me I say, when you see say boy the person where you want you have to feel some type of way, and the person where you did in a relation, yo, it rough in my people because remember she in a relationship for how much years, you know. So she never been out of a relationship during them time there, you know. So that feeling there of companionship and she have that lack. But now everything, the youth them gone here, so the man gone, so and she left alone. So she have to feel some type of way. You know what I mean? So let me know what to think my people. Make you watch some more.
My life does a one man my life revolve around, you know. I see him there. So if you're in a relationship with a person who the real will stay and who wants to go. Simple. I doesn't have an effect on that. I don't know what is wrong with you people on social media all the time. All the time when I'm come here, I have my own personal problem. When I always say over a man, I don't like it. Stop. I don't want to shout either. Because shouting doesn't help. Being boisterous doesn't help either. I don't want to argue anymore. Me have my own personal problem. Like how all y'all 3.7 pan ya have my own personal problem. My life does not resolve around Akim. He's not God. He might do him thing, make him do him thing. Don't cause a controversy between it. Don't sit and write rubbish. And you screener card pages is writing rubbish. If a person wants to do his thing on his own, let it go. I'm a grown ass woman with kids. She understand me put them to the damn foot. They have responsibility, I want to move. She not come elaborate. I have my own personal issues. I want to move from here. She not come on social media and do the most. Oh, I'm a buy this, I don't need to do that. Sometimes I don't like to elaborate. Because I'm not looking at the hype. I rather do what I want to do in secret and in silent. I'm a Gemini, we don't like crowd. And we don't like attention either. Stop. Who know Gemini inside? No, we are Geminis, we don't like attention. We don't like attention. We want to be in our own world. I don't like attention. I rather be in my own world and excited in my own world. I don't like attention. I don't like attention. Stop. Me would there so now in a room with 50 people. I have all of the zodiac sign them around me. And when some of the zodiac sign them want everybody to see them, me only want one person out of the 50 to see me. And sometimes partly all none. And you see me go there with a chair in a corner. You me look like I just a look. Me more for so long observe but to be seen. That's a Gemini. Me more for so long observe but to be seen. But on the 12th of June, me more for so long observe but to be seen. I don't like attention. So if I go somewhere, me still in one corner. The only way I go somewhere laba are if I go with cool person, I said, okay then. If I go to an environment where nobody me talk less, you know. You know, people don't know things about me. I talk less, I do less. I talk less and I do less. Yeah, my own personal problem is an overthinker. My own personal problem is an overthinker. Sometimes it can today. We can go through some rough patch today. And when I sit and I overthink it alone, it brings tears to my eye. I'm on a problem. Them stop revolve my problem on people. Like I put my stress and problem on people. I keep having burden I carry me of mine. Every time I come on social media, I have my own problem, I have my own world. On the hours I type the man name like Mr. Burden to me, I don't like it. Mr. Strong black woman, I don't want to be a burden to nobody. Stop. Men don't have nothing. Men don't have nothing at all. Stop. Yeah, stop. Let's look back up on the for you, Mr. One girl caption. Some stop. And then the screen card page, take it out and post it. And it costs all of the bagger. Stop. Like when I paint one picture, stop. Me not like to pay a picture for me, you know. Me not like people pay a picture for me. No paint no picture for me, miss. One stop. Me have my own personal problem. When I go to country, I say the whole of my father rooftop. I say, hey, they you don't live now, sir. Him say, I'm glad they know, I'm glad they come. The condition of the environment with I pay conservatives and them down then him and my granny is a back and front, two and front, and them a quarrel, them a argue. And I'm saying if me to come here with people, I would be so embarrassed. Cause a stallion I go with. And me a stallion always, me a stallion go already. And then my granny a back and forth and them a argue and them a argue and them argue. And when I time, him a say, yo, and I come to come sit for little man. I'm say, what you do? I'm say, me not like man, but you chat too much and the whole of them just argue. I'm say, when you gonna stop? Have I ever tell my father for stop? Don't know how you man, don't know. She not like listen to before me reach around them like out woman and a one whole part controversy. She not come talk? What wrong with you now? Yes, me have baker with me and my family, yes. One piece of argument before me even reach around there. Him lock out woman. So why you lock out woman? I'm on privacy. And the two of them are arguing for about 45 minutes straight. I mean, if you calm down, I have to tell her wanna stop. I mean, if I tell her wanna stop. I mean, if I tell her wanna this. I mean, if I tell her wanna that. And them nah stop. My father walk, oh, I got a dragon because you can't come here and drink, I say, yeah, money for buy the dragon, sir. You're not there. Him walk and go and come back with one beer. I say, oh, yeah, you gonna pay for the beer. Don't worry yourself, man. You're there. And then I argue with them my family, I love them. But I'm saying if I came here with people, they would embarrass me. But that not about the fact that I love them. If I come here with people, they're going to embarrass me. I go to them, I want to call to my cousin, I'm afraid. Because I'm afraid of my father. I'm a cuss the people. I mean, I say, what man, you call to her, I bitch that. I mean, I say, watch I haven't spoke to her in years. I'm one call to her, I can't call to her because I don't have the manners. Them some of the play for my brains.
Hey, my people, I'm going to tell you something. You see, when it comes to woman vindictive, bad. Very, very bad. You see, I say woman very vindictive. And you see, when woman left a man, them want to say that the man they sinking at the ground and not come out to nothing at all. You see, I say when a man will left a woman and he will feel some type of way, the woman that go wish bad for you. You don't want to see you come out to nothing. You want to see you mash up like dog. And you going to try everything to mash you down, especially if you hurt her. Me I tell you that. See, you see everything a Rosalie do right now, most of it Affi mash up GX money. You see me I say, you see right now my people, you hear Rosalie say she want to move. No since GX a build house, Rosalie want to move. Wanna tell me in the comment section if I lie me I tell. No since GX a build house, Rosalie want to move so bad. Why? Tell me why. It's because she want to stop him support him and get on TikTok because he might use the two youth them to build the house. You see what I say? So right now Rosalie want get a place and move quicker. Don't be surprised if by this month done Rosealee in a new place where she rent. Because remember, you know, Rosealee says she don't want to go live in a rent house, you know. She don't want to go live in a no rent house. When she left out of which part she there, she a go buy her place or build her place. Watch and see if she not go run going to one rent house right now so that she can get the youth them and stop Jakes from getting money using the two youth them name, because they will go under her roof and have everything to them comfort when she get her place. Watch and see. Watch a little joke. You see me and say, then you hear she say in our video, say she I got put him on child support. Me I tell you, say woman vindictive bad worse. Them left you and see you with woman and them no have no man for themselves. I one of the worst thing could happen here. Watch and see. Watch. Quick Rosealee I go get one place and a rent she I go rent it. And I buy him I go buy it. You hear me tell you now? Watch and see. Some people make we watch some more and want to tell more the thinking in the comment section. But me they don't tell you no say when if GX if Rosealee, you know what I mean, him I go feel it still in our people. Make we watch some more.
I look all I'm see because I'm on cartoon, I can't cartoon. And the man have him nasty behavior, I can't control him. If I just leave him, make him argue, because them not done. The two of them not done. So I just left them. I'm going to look the wall of my cousin Ostap and she in her tears with me. She tried, the man cried. The man started to cry till she tremble. So in this time she glad for look, if you have other people down there glad for something. So you have sometimes still long it get me over emotional. Cause when me sit down and say another house, I tell myself, say, me in a deep problem, me have people over there live worse than me. I'm an overthinker. Every time I have my personal problem, I'm gonna come about people. Come on, like somewhere I'm going to do the I think because me have a problem them. Me have me youth them for go to school. Me I think about a lot of fucking thing. A lot of things me still don't think, but me youth them. I one time me thinking preach a betrayal. Yeah, big fish, I say.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Voilà.
Reach one all betrayal. Told me think. Me reach one all blood clot betrayal. I saw me just sit down and overthink. I reach out, I say me think. Then I reach out and pan blood clot betrayal and I say blood clot. Look how long I all the stinking man, the blood clot there. I look where him do me to pussy clot. So all of the love and the this and the that, you never shit. No time. Then everybody will come be this. And it go on and on and on in my brains. Exactly, Maxi Queen. That was a huge betrayal. Me think them reach all this so. I don't want to call him name Jenny. Me think them reach all this so. I don't so me I can think. It's thinking. Them reach all this so. Every time I come by here, and I'm on a problem, I always insert people in a head. Stop insert people, I'm a problem, them man. Half a storm, there must be a calm. Stop insert people, I'm on a business, I'm on a problem. Me's a strong black woman, me can overcome all rock of sea. I'm here with my people, I'm gonna be alone. And Uno, and Dyema, where you see there. Fight it. Every day I'm gonna look for the them Dyema drive me. No care what keeping at the blood clot road. Me can't remember she for a lifetime. Every day she drive me go there. Every last day. Come Rosie, come look for the them. You know say I go somewhere. Come. You think it feel good for you to have a pit man in their people yard?
Alright, my people. This more say, seeing and me just a speak in general. Me I go ask you a question, seeing? Alright. If a man have a little something, don't him I go expect to get born right through in his life. Him not have to get it, you know. But that is something him have to expect. You see me? If a woman do 100%, don't she have to expect born in her life, she not have to get it, you know. But expect it. So, me not see why when the inevitable happen, people are gonna make it look like say it nothing You see me I say? So me just speak facts and reality. You know what I mean? Woman fi know say man give born. And that is something where you would say man born with a very few men you are gonna find when you give born. You see me I say? Very, very few. So, woman a run left a man because of bun, and them no one no idiot man. See, because Rosealee and GX start out from none of them no have nothing. Why she there with GX? Why she have something? But me sure, almost sure, say she would want to pick up somebody like GX in the position where she in right now. Eventually she have to go do that, you know. She have to go take a boy when I have nothing, because she have to find out say the man them what she want. Although you know have to go so still, you know, but me just deal with reality and facts. See, she have to find out say the man them what she want, will have money and look certain type of way. She another type of woman with them want. So even if she and them chat for a minute, them now go want settle down with her. As me say, my people, it can't happen. She can't find a man out there, you know, impossible. But me just start talk facts and reality. So me I say she have to go look at a dirty foot boy and spend on him, and so she have to get the love what she want. Not 100%. Because he might go get bright after a while and start have woman out there on her. You see me? So better she did just stand with GX where the picnic them fall already. but me I find out say him breed girl pon her. So that a one thing where, you know what I mean, me no stop no woman no one left a man if a man go breed a girl pon her. You see me? But figure your bun, me no feel like say you feel left him. So let me know what to think, my people. Make watch some more.
You know, if you have a opinion on them, there are people yard. So me not come here and go on and ball and do the most. Like me not a feel, me care about things. Me are one of the people that are very emotional in their life. Me care about things. More than other zodiac sign. When some people care and walk on, me care for weeks. Me care till all next year them time, I'm still a care that year. Me care for your lifetime. It's just that me not show it. When the life lock off, I'm a dead by myself by myself. I start sitting about my think about my problem that I have. Trying to figure out how to be a better mom. I just feel like I'm still not do the best. I'm gonna need a man behind me to be a woman. Although the mother says behind every successful woman you find a strong man, and behind every successful man you find a strong woman, sometimes you have some part where you are alone and go walk. So when you see me and my problem, I come here and I have thin tears. Don't type people name. I'm me alone I go walk. Me and me alone. I'm going to just face reality and the facts. Any decision I'm making like the right decision. You alone I forgot walk at times. It's gonna break me, yes, but I saw it go. You alone I go walk at times. I mean alone I go walk at times. It I go break because sometimes when you have a 10-15 year revolver on a person or people. When you have you have a 10-15 year revolver on a person or people. And then you realize that it's over now because you have made a decision to walk alone. So when reality hits you, you're gonna like, damn. How am I gonna do this? It makes you cry. Cause when you're facing reality, it makes you cry. The only way a human being, we all go through that. Me I protect my peace. Stop write people name when I have my problem them. Me I keep good. I have my own personal issues with myself, my kids, my family, my life. Him can't help me, no God. He only can give me a word of advice like you all. Him can't make no choice to me either. I have to make my own choices. Him can't make no choice to me either. I have to make my own choices. So at this point in my life, but finally I get a wake up call and me alone I go walk. And that reality hits me like a needle. Me alone I go walk. What am I there hotel? I mean I say boy bad too bad. If me did still there with jokes, me I get my local phone and it make me cry. It make me cry. And then I shake up myself and say, listen, you alone I go walk. Stop, get up and rejuvenate, get up and rejuvenate. And stop rely yourself around people. Get up and learn for the things. Get up and make choices. Get up and call. You have whole a friend run willing for jump round. Rethink your decision. Me not rethink the decision. I have made my decision already. Get up. Stop. Lay back and relax. Get up. Cannot care where you be in a life. Whether you're big, you're little, you're small, you're ugly, you're pretty, you're cute, you're shape good or you're shape bad. Some people come in your life to wreck it. Some people come in your life to bring a joy to your soul. The real will always stay. Because a real person will put aside your flaws and stay. No matter what the circumstances may be. When somebody choose to be a friend of yours, I don't. When me choose to be somebody's friend, I don't give a fuck, you know. When me choose to be your friend, I don't give a fuck, you know. And I'll ride out for you every time, like a storm, whether you're right or whether you're wrong. Because not because you're wrong, I'm gonna see you fall and make you fall. Not because you were wrong, I'm gonna see you fall and make you fall. When me say me here from a ride out to the end like Chucky. Not because you're falling, I'm gonna let you fall. And if I'm up on social media, I don't like people. So the simple set of things on the more if you switch. That's why I always believe in my team. So here on social media, my team, I believe in my dream team, I believe in my day one girls them. I always believe in me, even when it look like I'm falling, or even if I'm falling. My life doesn't revolve around nobody but God. I have made my choice to leave Jakes and be alone. So you know me alone, a room me alone now for me and me youth them. Like the time come now for me can make them get them own space and live comfortable. But go down and say my sister, I say blood clot. Fatty come here, she come. I said this is a year money for buy ice cream. I'll fold it up so I put that on.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
I'm gonna say this is a year money for buy ice cream. I see ya. Say I am on my see ya. Buy ice cream Sunday, it's a year money. And she hold the money tight in her hand. So I'm gonna say give me a kiss right, so she kissed me twice. I'm so make a break and I to myself say, if me live in a house where me have space, me that take her. Get her in a school by uniform of her, me had feed her and care for her. I'm on a problem them. And trust me, man is not one. That's why when some of my friends say, leave Seaview and move from Seaview, I tell them no, I can't. I can't leave Seaview. I can't go into a different environment that I don't know anybody. Because I'm an overthinker. Throughout this time, my friend cook food and call me and me get food. Throughout this time, my friend them still have people in my district. Well, like me, family now have shit. I tell me every day them proud of me. I still have a lot of friends who like me a long time. And my friend me call and say, yeah, cook yeah man. Them say, I say, me come in. I'm go there, me eat and me drink. And I say, hey, me nah move. I'm say, you know. Just while I sleep. I'm say, some of cover me up and throw something for me. I lie down in bed, lie down in the house and I sleep. Sleep out rotted. I want to wake him cook again. I'm saying I'm going to send for my shirt because I go up and I stay for the night. I'm saying alright then. And my other friends, I'm soon come, I'm saying soon come back. And one of my friends just give me a car key and say go get the car tilt. And try to go wash her off because she want bed. Me still have friends who like me for my time. I don't isolate myself from the world, no time. Because sometimes you still need people and I care what you do. And good friends better than pocket money. If I have a lifetime friend, it's better than pack money. Me a total a friend for me at 13, I know me at 32. And then I ring total phone and I say, lend me $5,000, I'm after him, I say, him I lend me it. If don't even think when me gonna get it from the game, how long me gonna have it for game? Back. And I call him and say, boy, you know, so one boy give me one bad juice in my belly. Where you go do? So I don't know. They check if you're pregnant. I say, no. Go check. They keep it. They keep it, girl. I say, I don't know. The way you go do. What I'm trying to say is, stop coming on social media and put beef between me and people. There's no beefing. Me I keep not beefing. There's no beef. Stop. When you walk around, in the comment section, store up things. I'm a son do it. I want them a son do it, you know. My Dyema figure it out. I figure it out upon no rotten teeth, no this, no that. You don't know what the woman I talk about, you know. Me see the whole in the comment section. A long time Dyema I like Rose. And a long time figure it out a shader. And I'm a monitoring spirit and the whole one. Who want this and that? I wanna in the comment section with who that? In the comment section with all a long dirty nasty paragraph for me to read. And I'm saying, what is wrong with you people? Because when I get it, you know, if me and people are beef, me and them now want an argument with them, you know. How would that? What's that? I can't lie in here. Yeah, people them not beef. My son dead on the right and I'm sitting on Dyema and figure it out and them I was a shader and them and a long time figure it out and like Rose and Dyema share hypocrite and I say blood clot. What is wrong with you blood clot people? And she when she called me, she said Rose, we say your attitude. You know, see the screen I call me, say, see it, man. I see them say, oh, you not like me, I don't figure it out. A long time figure it out, not like me, I don't not like me, and blood clot. You say, Rose, them class. Me ain't like me, say, me know me see it. And I want to know the all the while. When the screen a card page run, on the slang on the type hard type of nonsense. So when people see it, when I talk about shade. Owner like who from owner like who. And nobody else ain't no problem with nobody. Literally. So I want to come up with a conservative and create it. I want to create things by you and tell lie. I want to lie, you know. Because I'm soon in a comment section I talk about me and them. I know a lie when I tell. Lie. That's what I'm following up on you. I want the screen a card page when me no look pound. Look at me, my FYP different. I see the bag screen a card page when me no like write the caption and the things them. As me soon I'm gonna go so bam bam black. I'm also foreign people come by my. I'm also foreign things me watch. Makeup tutorials and some makeup tutorials with some drag queen and some other people and like movie stuffs. What going in a room watch by my FYP? You know, sit down and watch TikToker. No. If I see somebody where diss me, if somebody make one video where diss me, but just click on the arrow and click on black and keep it moving. Me create my own FYP. It's different from everybody else's own. You know more I want you to teach me over typing the hashtag. So when the screen card page post some on like me not see it. Come and have every time for the foolishness. Not even Instagram me not use. When I see Instagram post the things I never look on Instagram. Come here, I try to turn myself in a better person. And it cause step by step, beat by beat, tempo by tempo. One time gonna back moon come here, one time gonna back moon come here start beef so. Not shouting, me that come here start class and now till next year. Buddha are gonna go on bad. Me that start rip up already. It not come out of me 110%, but I can say 50% of me is I'm find myself a change woman. And sometimes I can't soon ignore no. For some reason I don't really know why. I don't know I never look a small growth in me. I don't like everything at once, but if it really pissed me out I would say something, but I find myself as someone I ignore no. That worrying woman that draws, that worrying woman, and this is the things that affect me. Rose, you do, miss, you not go suck a wood temporarily. Why someone not go suck a wood? Me say, me go along a Gibbo, I'm a swipe me card and buy some things and I got sent to Elizabeth yesterday, and the money when me beg me give it away.
I sent my message.
Alright, my people, so we could see what the lion man are going with, and you know what I mean, then we'll move on to the next.
Mosquito dog. From the rain fall, bro. From the rain fall, bro. From the rain fall, dog. Be a mosquito dog. I will have. You would owe me. Why you not owe me? I will beg now. Who name Lisa? Who name Lisa? Lisa, you find me, mother? You find me, mother, Lisa? Who is Lisa? Which Lisa this? Lisa, more text about. When you come on to Mobay, tough. Me don't want nobody to interrupt my begin. You see it? Because me there so back full time, dog. You see it? And me now come over here and post nothing what me do. You see me I say? You don't need to do that, bro. In times like these, we don't really want no cussing between. We don't want no cussing between rankers or whatever, or nobody, bro. You see, if you not help, you not just help. You don't have to be no fussing. You see it? You know, I've been no fussing, bro. You see me I say? What we can't combine oil, bro? Tell me I tell that. We don't need no cussing. Oh, shy, you bad stunner. Which man you find over TikTok? Cause every time I find man over TikTok, I start shooting like you know, blood clot sense, you know. Which man you find over TikTok now, darling? And never me. And never me. Check your inbox, darling. Listen, my people. I've done my part. You see me I say? I've done my part. You see it? And if you don't want to contribute, if you still want to contribute, you can link Romish. You see it? So the thing them can reach you. You see me I say? But darling, listen me out. I've done my part. I've done what I can do already. You understand? You see it? I've done what I can do already. You see me I say? So, me no want nobody to beg me. I might turn for beg now. Yeah, me busy about my pocket right now. Alright. More me come over here and leave start the match. Me just play. Me just fuck around and I entertain. More me leave going a match. You see it. Anyways, a violence we are doing now. You see it. Cause me rent. I want that fly. Yeah, cause me rent due next week. You see it, and me a beg you no. Do not make no come out. Do not make no. Nobody can call you mean. Bumbuckler, sweet to the bone. All if me never did nothing in another war runner, them can't cuss me, bro. All if me never did nothing in another war runner, sweet to the bone, them can't cuss me. Tell me I tell you that, darling. You see it? All if me never help. You see me I say, them can't cuss me. You see it? Cause me is a man who always a help, bro. You see it? No man, that chain a real man, you see it? Me don't need to chat about the chain, man. That chain a real man. You see that one a real. Jayden, please help. Me a go block you, you know. Me a go block you, you know, darling. Because me done, so me do my part already, you know, still a come beg me, you know. Me a go block you, you know. Me do my part already, you know, me do what I did what I can do. You see me, I say? My part done. You see it? So, me don't want nobody manipulation at his eyes. How me a manipulate though? Oh, so, yeah, let me tell you something. Yes, when somebody smarter than you, yes, when somebody smarter than you, yes, when somebody smarter than you call them, you see a manipulate. You see it? When somebody smarter than you, bro, you call it say a manipulate. But I don't manipulate, darling. Your brain.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We can watch some more. And more to the tell me what you think. You know what I mean about what the lion man I say. You see me I say, because you see when it come to TikTok and TikTokers, my people, I got ever to say them they like one another, you know. And that's a fact. You see me I say, and it has been proven over again. So anytime you see them come together and go and like say boy Ray. No, them don't really like each other like that, because everybody want to be the person who will get the money. Once them not get the money, the people them will get it or find a way to get it, them are going to have a problem with them, because they want to stop them from get it and them start get it. If you don't know what I mean, we can watch some more.
Your brain can't work up to my speed. You see, so that's why I call it manipulate. Loan forever. But you go suck out your big stinking mama body boy. Go near out your mama. I want shit in your blood clot, suck out mouth body boy. Go suck out your mama. Yo, that too loud. man, it's too loud, it's too loud. Me I hear it still, me I hear it. Yo, none of that, man. None of that. Chat, let me see if I still have my style car. Yeah, I'm a good man, of course. Once I'm a fall off. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if I still have it. I still have it, man. Still have it, don't chat? Pour out at my screen. Still there, man. It's still there, man. See what I'm saying? Mix up on the app. Mix up. Alright. What else? What else? Tongue want clean, your pussy want clean, girl. Suck out your mama. Suck out your mama, batty boy. Now come out on the room. Oh, my name. One time, I had a girl in my house and she need help. And me is a man where I live woman in my house for around 5 months. Me not beg them no sex. You see, because I'm a very good man. You see, someone when I feel like say I go beg a sex or whatever. You see what I'm saying? I just want to help you, darling.
I got pray about it.
Huh?
I got pray about it.
You have a pray about it?
I got beg God guide me in a time like this.
So in a time like this, I got think about it?
Yeah, I have to pray about it.
How money you want?
No, what I mean money, I can't just take up myself and just go in a man's house like that.
It's my house. If better to a bad way, if better to if I try to do not with you, if I try to not with you, it's simple, you can click your life.
Alright, I go take you. Alright, I go take you.
You're gonna take it? A woman you a look. No, I'm not look woman. Woman look me, you know. You see it. So let me tell you the condition of my house, the condition and the rules. You can't bring no other man in here. Anything sex related you cannot do without me. If you're on your period, you're going to have to rent somewhere until the period is finished. You cannot bring any more money in the house. Bathroom door should not be locked when you're bathing. When you're using the toilet, no phone. As you step into my house, there's no phone cannot allowed in this house.
You sound like a big narcissist.
I make sure you're clean. That's all. That's all. It's simple, darling.
The tragic hurricane, bro. I see one girl come over here, a Rasta girl. Goes by the name as Rajisha come over here. I see a scam me, I try to scam the people, man. I see them screaming cards, I see their comment section. I be people at chat. You see, I follow this batty boy, but you know, bro, ease out. Because my people, I tell me, Zuma, ease out. My people, my side, tap the screenshot. My people, I say, Zuma, ease out. My people, I say, Zuma, if you want to do something out of your pocket, fine, do it. But no come and ask the contribution for the people, because the people over here are wicked. And that's true. I'm a sit down, I'm a meds it, dog. I'm a sit down, I'm a meds it. Me don't want nobody send me them money. And when push come the shovel, people, I want to see what Zuma doing the money, you know. I want to see Zuma by the things I'm doing the money, you know. We don't still gonna bring down Zuma, you know. Me don't want that. Attack me around, fam. Good morning, world best dad. That me around, fam. But anyways, put fun and joke aside. This one, my side, pour up a scream chat. I just want to big up every TikTok I see I do it. Big up Rebecca, Rebecca call out, Rebecca wake up the app. Rebecca, my side, tap the fucking screen. Good morning, chat. Everybody, good morning. If you can pour up your screen or pour up your screen, please. You see it? And Rebecca wake up the app. I say, big up Rebel. Big up the one I TikTok and I do it, bro. You understand, bro? And big up Ramesh and big up the artist that I do it, Shaggy. And big up the Prime Minister, him act urgently. You see it? As I said, I just want Jamaica come back. And we can come back bigger and better. Believe you me. And the next thing to dog, we want to put across the board, dog. Is that your breath? The suck your mother is a big pussy mother. Big up vybz kartel. Is a big pussy mother. Mother is a chap that suck pussy look about them face. Mother is a chap that suck.
Some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section about with Zuma say, because you know what I mean, them call Roger call him out and say, boy, he might scam the people, man, which we don't know for sure say that are the case, you know what I mean. So the local style, me don't know what to say about it, my people, but more than like that style still, because maybe that style stop a lot of people from getting help. You know what I mean? Most people, when they collect charity and collect money for do things to people, they do thief, not for the money, not for the time. You see me I say, but we don't know if Zuma did go do that. You understand? Maybe him genuinely want help, you know what I mean? Him see everybody a help and him want do something too, but him not really have the money, because I know one of the rank of them on TikTok will really get the support like that. You understand what I say? So tell me what you think, my people. Let me know what you think.
Pussy look about them face. And you know, I'm not upon them talking there. Christy, God bless. We now, we're not upon them talking there. Please. Them talking they bigger than me and you. Now come over, come call Andrew name. Please. Please. My door, my house, I'm living in my door, cannot lock. No do that. No do that. No call the Prime Minister name over here. Please, me, I beg you, me can't bother with the confusion. Me can't bother with the antagonization. My side, put up a live chat. Yeah, me, Christy, yeah, no do that. No do that. Up on somebody else live and say that, Chrissy, because I'm not going to entertain that. Because when you understand, say, only people in the comment section say some shit. When you say some shit more while for we streamer, take it up on our head and then look back on our side as streamer. You now look back on phone side, you know. But when you just make the comment and go about phone business.
Gaza, I will never switch. Come back, your cartel, big woman thing, bro. Evil I like talk it and sound like a comic. But me I want something, DJ. Not because you use my sound, you know. Yeah, bro, cause you see greatness. Just give us something, bro. Yeah, bro, cause Storm kinda fuck me up still in a teacher. I'm going for link here, you know. For IG, you know. And me I say, no, dog. Don't run in 2G. And me I say, hey, a time I go come where you go use my son. And boom, it happen. Yeah, bro, me know say you da use my son, bro. Catch your system lyrical inclined.
Pass more than one, just take up a bulk of it. Take up a bulk of it.
Spit up the water.
Yeah, give me some water. Take up a bulk of it.
Chat me a try for my line and nobody now listen to me, you know. Give them 6. Give me one of them.
Rice done, yeah?
Rice done.
Push baby mother out there.
You hold this.
Yeah, baby mother.
Who else have baby? You? How about that? You hold this. You and I what you want?
Yo, big. Yo.
No more black background, sir? No more black background?
Bug them there in a garbage bag. Walk me garbage bag and take out the bag.
Excellent. You hold it.
Want the bag then? Take out the bag.
Give me one. No, feel more. Make it smart it already. Come in and lock it. Come in and lock it. Come in and lock it. Wanna come in and lock it now? Come in and lock it. Yo, why nobody now? Wanna come in and lock the van? Come in and lock the van. Lock the van. Jesus Christ, a chaos outside. You have to line up.
I show you window everything I come next. Show you window, yeah?
Chat a chaos outside to block now.
Some pampas, yes, sir.
Give me a pampas.
Give me some pampas, yes, sir. May I go give you water?
Pampas.
Give me one more pampas in this. Show one in a flat one. Show some water, she say water, she want some pampas. No more out there. No more rice.
Come, yo, come and come over right or so. Cause you don't know how to deal with the one of the place there.
Let me do the water.
Hold on, mister.
Alright, here.
Pampas.
Back up, I'm going now. Yeah, look how alright, catch back the line on this side. More back the line. Catch back the line. Well,
Give me food.
line, you have to do the thing decent. You have to spill a line. I'm a driver. You know like how people want to kill this up.
Rise them limit. Hold on. You have to do the thing decent. I saw one line go about them on us and I move. You see me? Yo, I didn't forget it. Where pampas? Yeah, they're gonna be a good dog, for real. Yes, them look like them done. The rest them look like them finished. I'm there, sir.
We're ready. He's about back here, sir.
But you know, tell her so we're ready. Don't test our chaos.
Come in that car,
no, sis.
Lucky window, lucky bump.
Come in that car, no, sis.
Dyema. Hold it.
No rice.
Where's this? I wanna come in.
Come in my bus. If you come in my bus, if you bus slap. Come.
Yeah, man. Excuse. Cut the lucky door. Cause brother, you come from here.
What me come for you happy doing this?
Maybe not tell us if you make people enjoy the line and still give them in while the crowd.
But we are trying to figure out people want food. It's not gonna man.
Alright, me dey live. Done that.
Watch your reverse, watch your reverse.
Go forward,
Me not go forward, me I go backwards.
Why me I tell you?
Hey, stop beat the bumbo clock window. Stop do that.
I somebody a chat and you think about time.
But then you should have listened. Me we give you. Me know you personally. Me we give you. You know, me we give you. Me know you personally. Me come back and give you.
Dyema just wind up the window now.
Hey, Pampas, give me one Pampas. What I'm doing, I'm going to Pampas. Give me Pampas. I'm not right.
No shit.
Give me anything. No, I'm going to give you the Pampas, sister. You're going to come back to me, Dyema. I'll come back to you. You know your personal. I'm going to check the Dyema. Let me come, remember you know me.
Which one, man? I go back now. Jesus Christ, I know the place in a chaos.
Hey, my people, why you think some of the person them will give back? Give whatever them will give back to some type of charity we establish because of them type of something here. You say if it was a normal like back to school give back or something like that, it would have been simple. But it's something like this where people badly in need of the stuff them will give back. Problem have to go on. Chaos have to go on. You see me I say? So them should the way them should do it. If them want to do it like how them do it themselves, Dyema should have line up some people who him know from St. James, and them should have put down some table and stuff and make sure so them have some people out there we organize the person them we are go for them line, get in a one line and one. Them can't just go and pull up and decide say them are gonna give out. It not go good. You see me I say, and that them do. You understand me? So you have to know what you do when you say you're going to give back in a time like these. You see me? Make me watch some more.
Which one I go straight?
Yeah, man, go for me hand. So me have to go let off music.
Me dey live, what wrong with you?
Oh, me never know what you say.
Me dey live though, me dey live shorty. Take up one Pampers there, bro.
Anything else you can give me.
Oh, you want to bus? Yes, no. Alright.
Mommy, I want to take up something quick.
Man, no problem here.
Take up something and push up my front.
Go and drive, you say what?
Take that, take that.
Our else the same one.
See a black bag there. Get a black bag there.
Water, come let me get a little water.
Take up a water.
Anything. No matter.
Yeah, gear that
Not
to.
trust the water in this road.
Gear that to the traffic. Me have to move.
She a walk with them. She went there, that's so long.
And she walk, we come all the way down.
You can see a fall must be in.
I know.
Ain't have another bag there when you get.
She have conflicts in her bag.
Alright, see the auntie.
Get one of it.
We not tapping on no traffic, man. Later, yeah? Lord bless you now.
Yeah, man. Bless up here, auntie.
Receive it with love. Yeah, man. Alright. Let's get down to this.
You can feed it, man. Feed them. Yeah, I want to feed them. See how yourself.
Auntie!
Somebody want to feed her.
Lady! You don't want to feed me.
See some feeding here. Give them some feeding who want it.
Alright then.
Alright, everybody that?
I run you, man, run down the bus, you know?
I run through down the bus.
Yeah.
So scarce, Jamaica
Give
and
two
chaos.
feed in a car. Give me one more feed. Like I said, come here, let me give you one more feed.
See your next feeding here. You deserve it, man.
Later, yeah?
You should run down the bus. You deserve it, man.
With a ball, man, go on.
Give her one feed.
You
Take up
want
one
feed?
next. Take up one next feed. Give her one, man. Give her one,
You
man.
want feed? Give me one more
Feed,
feed.
no? Set up one next feed there, bro.
Walk with the bus, walk with the bus.
Just cry with the
Just
bus.
walk with the bus. So let me shop. So let me go to shop there. Hey, hold him. Alright, yeah?
Bless up, here.
Over there, so
Feel like I want to cry. You know, me feel it for them, bro. But the thing just not
I saw people
deal with good. You know them way there?
Figure
Yeah,
anywhere
bro.
you want.
Watch out, me know I want them want it in it, bro. But me I get claustrophobic,
You see
dog.
people try.
You know see how quick me come in the bus?
You see people try to make a line cutting down.
Come here, try for me, get a line on it now.
When people hungry, they don't ramp.
Me realize
Let me
that.
tear off all your
I watch
shirt.
out. You see the way how me I deal with it. Me just did one at least
I mean, I
one
want to
person
shout
get a
off for
bag.
them, cause it just look away when me a shout
Me just
off
did one
for them.
at least one
You see me cut
person
it?
get a bag.
So when
You
him
see
say
me?
I feel me place, me don't want to get mad than a shout. You see me cut it? That's why me name I said no at first, cause you have to go get crazy and it go sound a weird dog.
Yeah, when me and see crowd cat. Nobody name did that. Just see 100 people in front of we from now. Me wonder what go on.
That's what done for you know. A food, you know. You see woman say we have because the woman run down the bus. I run the woman run down the bus, bro.
Jesus Christ. Watch out now. My sponsors them. We're gonna try this again on our next parish. You see me? So if anybody want help out, now is the time. Cause when I see my dad try do the thing the right way to make everybody see what I go on, but why it ended in a chaos a while ago. But what?
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch some more and then we'll go over the Lion Man and Rosalie.
China, at least 50 people get something though.
More than
More than 50. Yeah, man. At least, yeah, man.
See rice done, must rice.
The rice done on a 50 rice.
So if the rice done, I know
Alright.
50 people.
So me I ask everybody we out there if we don't have a art, bro. We have cash up, PayPal and sell it. We are trying to get some more things so we can go our next parish and gateway.
Hold it, figure, hold it.
So do it
One way, this in a song.
Take time in the door cutting. Where you go?
Not before you come out of that traffic.
But the door not locked. What cut you do? Everybody who want donate, when they just slam it. Everybody who want donate, we have cash up, PayPal and sell it. When they can message me for the information.
Me sure you can't see them. Oh. Everything must have done.
Watch out now. A whole heap of people out there want help.
Cut it turn.
A lot of people want help. And we need no help to do it. No lighter or nothing down here, so you have to respond. Just send me a message, I will respond. Just send me a message. No lighter or nothing at evil down here. I swear to God. Down here in a complete darkness. Wind up your window now.
I'm cutting me a call.
Cut to the right, the same amount you want.
Now one way, so. Where you go?
I cannot post this early right as a chat. You don't have to message me for the information, see? If I post it right as everybody I go and send one time and it's early I go crash. If you not
Me nah play, cause we know you don't really like that one there, cause him always enough.
No, man, me rate TJ, man, for real. No joke thing.
Why you calling names?
No, but me rate him, Rosalie.
You rate people?
Yeah, me rate you.
They ever got to tell me same enough?
Me?
You.
When that?
From my phone. Private convo.
Lie! Lie, you tell. But sometimes enough with you, Rosalie, though. Sometimes enough.
I'm not telling a lie. You know I'm not lying. Stop. You know me not telling a lie.
Me never tell her that, though, Rosalie. I set up thing.
Tell me that.
No.
You tell me that.
No. You try to say me.
Tell me. No. I just the truth. You tell me from my phone tell him enough.
Me?
If you want to rate him enough, but you know him enough. Me you know this. We never go down in detail. You.
Okay. So you go tell him say, you know say Diamond I like you. You go tell him.
If Diamond like me, I don't know to do with you.
You go tell me where you tell them. You tell me where you tell them. Tell me where you tell them. Where you tell me? Where you tell me?
Me ain't no argument with people.
Me and you no go argument. Me and you
me ain't no argument.
Me and you no argument.
Because if Diamond like me can't tell her that. Me not have to tell you. That's a two different person with me and you. Say if Diamond like me can't tell her. So Diamond don't say me you don't like me. Can't call her phone and tell her it. We are two different persons.
Rosalie, me born June 2, you know?
You say me feel like Diamond like me I ring up phone and say Diamond I feel like you don't like me. Honestly, you are so mistake. But I need to tell you, you can't start this show. It's not a joke.
In June time.
No.
In June time.
If me feel like Diamond like me call her phone or voice note and you know say straight. That's why me avoid you. Simple. I don't need to tell you. I mix up that. That would be a mix up charge bring come all over. Mix up in misery.
So
talk out of my mouth. Yeah.
Mix up me and you bring me a mix up. I don't know, sorry, go bro.
Jayden, back in the blood clot time, we have hype. The whole always say, and because you have the look of hype for the jet that man is to up in the battle. We see it. We know you. Me know you. I know too. Because you have the look of hype in my father behind you. And you can't stomach because you're still when you can't stomach people. Remember you're a Virgo. You're not wicked. Come on now, be realistic. Don't get ridiculous here, you know.
Don't get ridiculous with me, no. Rosalie, you know, say you want the dog premium. I pray you want the dog premium.
I mean, you know, and that's where I run from.
I mean, I want the dog premium because I'm the dog.
Right, leave it.
And no man I got premium to do that car. Man, you believe in it? Yes,
Then if blood clot, then if all along you never go and see you never want to be my friend. I know things are going for me, you want to be my friend. You don't like me, just are two things I want to make enough up. Me not like you, me ain't a friend. I just the truth, I don't like the truth. You know, so 95% of the world full of life don't like the truth. And I don't like the truth, I don't believe nothing. No, don't like the truth.
Miss, send the lion. Thanks for your money gone.
Thank you.
I don't want any chop, I'm good.
Whoa.
Me glad so the beggings. Me glad so the begging resume.
Okay.
You not glad? Hey, me glad so the begging resume. No, God. We can't come over so come back peacefully now without them having to bring me down.
13% with a rose.
Bad bro, what go on?
Did you spend any money out of your beggings on anybody? Privately?
How my money me spend, man? How my money me spend, man?
Okay. Remember, God is watching, you know. You're not doing it for people, you're doing it for God is watching. Double chat!
Double my team.
I know you don't give a shit, cause you were gonna play them struggle. You were gonna play them restaurant, go order them food and them and come out. With their friend them? Double chat!
Double my team, double guys, double.
Double chat!
Marvin, what you say? Double my team. Why? Begging kind of slower than a bit in a rosealee. It kind of slower than a little bit, man. Is it? But it goes speed up once time and things pass, you know? You have just give time to speed up.
And me, I tell it to yourself.
And myself, me I tell that. Hold on. Guys, you know, come on, guys. Come on, chat. Come. Rose, why are you smiling?
Because I'm happy.
Me see one man shaking bottom off a sweet. Rosealee, what you think?
Say give us 600,000.
No, sorry. Rosealee, just stop in the man, just cool, no man.
You give us 600,000.
No, I'm not give her 600,000. I don't have so much money.
Me say if you blood clot go in a restaurant and you have people them food and come out and pay for me, no, you're not give $1.
Rosealee, why you think we still like it?
Snapchat!
Team make snipe!
Time, snipe dream team, snipe.
Snipe me team, snipe!
Where get the ranking chat? Thank you for the money gun. Snapchat!
I give you 6 for your mouth.
I give me a 6 pussy.
Chat, wake up, chat, come on, yo, done what dog.
Snapchat!
Come on, guys.
Chat, snipe,
nobody can snipe this. Chat, who else can snipe this, chat?
Snapchat!
Yo, me not lie, me not lie, dog, me not lie, bro.
Alright, my team 1 down 5 to 4. Thank you, team. Joey get gloves, Parla, Earth, and my top person guys.
What a wrestling me go in the pocket, man. Oh God, man. No come now. No come now, I might turn off chat. No come now, chat. Oh God, man. I want 3 days what I saving me go now. You see it? I don't save up on the money, bro. So no come give me money, man. Chat must start.
First triple chat.
Look like me fall off. Guys, first shipper.
Joey, throw somebody in a Joey.